Hola. Okay, so jumping right into this tutorial, I set my eyelids with the Too Faced concealer, which is amazing, by the way. I'm on my second bottle and I don't need that plastic cover, but I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette today, and the first shade I'm going in with is Butter, and I'm just going to build that up in my crease and intensify it and build it up as much as I can. So to deepen up that crease a little more, I'm just taking the shade Pooter and just popping that in my crease again and just blending that out with a fluffy brush. Next up is Roxanne, and I'm just applying that in my crease as well and also focusing it on the outer corner of my eyes. So on a flat brush, I'm taking the shade Jax and just focusing that on the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm just building that shade up. I'm just packing that shade on there, and then I'm just going to blend it out with a fluffy brush just so it doesn't look, you know, too harsh, and it just blends in really nicely. Then I'm going in with this shimmery shade. It's so beautiful. It's like a bronzy, gold, smoky shade. I don't know how to explain it. And it's the shade Meeks. And I'm just applying that on half of my lid. And I'm using my fingers just because I find that shimmery shades just apply way nicer with my finger. I don't know. I think it's just like the warmness, you know, it kind of melts it into the skin. And then I'm using this little glitter thingy that I got online. It's super glittery. It's almost the same shade as Meeks, and it's got just gold, kind of like a bronzy, I don't know how to explain it, glitter in it, and I'm just putting that just on half of my lid. I'm not going all the way, and it's just so pretty. And then I'm going back in and just blending out my lids just so that everything looks nice and soft, nice and smoky, and it just looks seamless. And then I'm taking Enlight and Beam, and I'm just adding that to my brow bone for a brow bone highlight. And then I went ahead and did my liner, and I also added these small lashes that I got from Winners, and they are very like wispy, natural looking, because I didn't want to take away from the eye look, so that's why I decided to pop on just small, you know, simple ones, just so that it wouldn't take away from the eye look. Next up is moisturizer, and I'm using the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush cream. This stuff is really good. I've been loving it so far, and it just moisturizes my skin. It just makes me feel really good. Next up is foundation. I'm using Maybelline's Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This stuff is amazing. It leaves your face looking flawless. And yeah, I am in the shade 220, I believe. I'll leave it down below. To highlight and conceal, I'm going to be using my Born This Way concealer. Like I said, this stuff is amazing. I love it. I'm on my second bottle. It's really good, you guys. It's full coverage, and I love it. I've been recently using this powder from the company called Lawless. It's really good. I feel like it smooths out my skin really nicely, and it just kind of like does this blurring thing to it. I've been really enjoying it, so I would recommend this powder to you guys if you have like texture, large pores, and you're looking for something that's just going to really smooth out your skin. So with a pencil brush, I'm just applying all the shades I used at the beginning and just smoking out my lash line just to finish off my eyes. And then I'm going in with, one second. Oh, I'm going in with mascara and just putting mascara on my bottom lashes. And then for contour, I'm using my Clay Play palette by Tarte, and I'm going in with the shade Macadamia, I think it's called. And I've been recently doing my contour with a huge, big ass fluffy brush, and I just love the way it applies my bronzer. It just adds it like way smoother. It kind of like diffuses it. I don't know, but that's what I've been doing, and I just love the way it's been turning out. Excuse me. So to add some pinkiness to my cheeks, I'm going to be using Sephora's Winter Flush Blush Palette and just applying that to the apples of my cheeks. And before highlighting, I like to spray my face with MAC's primer water. I love this stuff. It's so good. And before that dries, I then add my highlighter. And I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills / Nicole Guerrero's Glow Kit. I'm just going in with these 3 shades right here and just applying that on my cheekbones, my chin, my cupid's bow, my nose, just wherever I want to look highlighted. I feel like during this time of year you can add as much glitter, as much highlight as you want because, you know, it's the holidays, it's Christmas. You can get away with it. So to set my makeup, I'm taking, again, the MAC Fix Plus. This just takes all the powder that I apply to my face and it just melts it into my face. It removes the cakiness look and it's just so refreshing. I love it. I definitely recommend this spray. It's really nice. Next is my lips. So I'm taking Milani's lip liner in the shade Spice, and for my lips, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Stripped. And that's it. That completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry this voiceover was just like all over the place. I'm not very good at them. Yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.